TLDR. A progressive web app is a web app that can be installed and run offline. From yours truly, Wikipedia. So to create a PWA, we have to work on those things. First, create the web app as usual. Then, make it installable by defining a web manifest. Lastly, make it offline capable by storing the web app into the user's browser. With that, let's start by creating a dummy page. Insert some text and a picture. Add some CSS. And a touch of JavaScript. To make the web app installable, we need to create and register a manifest file. There are a lot of things that can be defined in the manifest file. Check out the full list on MDN, links in the description. For this example, we will only set the bare bones. Define the name and icon of the app. Set the starting page and scope. Set it to display like a standalone app, and set the colors. With that, you now have an installable web app. Lastly, all that remains is to add offline support to the web app. To do that, first create and register a service worker. Listen to the install event. For this example, we will create a hello cache and save all the project files inside. Then, listen to the fetch event. Set the fetch event to return requested files from the cache. Fall back to load from the network if the file is not in the cache. Lastly and optionally, set the service worker to activate instantly. To verify the cache, load the page and open the console. Under the Storage tab, it should show that files and Service Worker are saved. There will be a Hello storage cache as well, with all the project files. To test if the app works offline, go to the Network tab. Set throttle to offline and reload. If the files load from the cache, you have successfully created an installable and offline-capable progressive web app. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.